Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a trigger animated object that it's not technically connected to or something like that, or at least I'm going to show you how to trigger that animation in another object from the trigger. And this is pretty simple, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm a little distracted, so I'm sorry if I trail off. But basically, yeah, we're just going to be using the same scene that I showed you guys in another video I made on how to make an animated start menu. Yeah, so this is really simple. All you're going to do is make the object that, or get the object that you want to have, like rotate or whatever, or at least animate, and go up to Window, click Animation, and it'll come up with this window here. I've already set up an animation. Basically what this animation does is it just rotates you that way and then that way, and then stops. Well, it loops because I'm in the animation tester, but it normally wouldn't. So let's go ahead and exit out of here and fuck them. So now, well, not fuck them, but I'm busy. So yeah. So now we got to trigger that animation from the options button in here. So it only played on its own because I've got it set up to play automatically, as you can see here. Play automatically. We just uncheck that and we'll do it. But yeah, if I were to click on options or whatever, then it would rotate. But I haven't linked them yet, so I need to show how to do that. So let's go ahead and get that started. So first thing we're going to do is go to our project and go to our main menu script. In my case, it's a main menu script. In your case, it is whatever you use to get your trigger. Okay, so whatever you have as your trigger, you need to link this code with your trigger. Basically, when it says if I trigger it, do what? You want to say, well, first thing you want to do is go up to the top and say variable or var item to move or whatever you want to call it. Mine's cam rotate down because that's what I've called it. Animation clip, that just basically declares cam rotate down as an animation clip. Var cam to rotate, as a game object, that just means what am I rotating. Then we go down to the bottom where we have our actual trigger, which is a mouse up statement if option is true, or aka is at the options button. Then cam to rotate dot animation dot play, and then what animation we play. Now, since I want to play the test that I made, I'm going to call it test because that's what the animation is called. And it does have to be linked with your object. Remember that. Otherwise, it'll come up with a null reference exception. So yield wait 4 seconds, cam rotate down dot length, and then blah blah blah. We do not need this because it like doesn't exist in our code here. That's just for my personal code. So let's go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and minimize this, and we'll go ahead and test this. There was actually one more thing that was kind of messed up. I think it might be fixed now. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, wait, I've got it set up to play automatically. So let's go back to the cube, go down to animation, and uncheck play automatically. Let's go ahead and play it. And if I click options, let's see, why are you not? No, oh, sorry about that. I haven't actually set it up to have a link to whatever I'm going to. So for instance, if I scroll down here, it says cam rotate down. I don't have an animation selected. I need to do that, which in our case is test. Which that doesn't matter so much because it's actually linked with our object, so you don't really need that. And then cam to rotate, you do however need to select what object you are going to make move. So if it is this thing, you select that. If it's your text, you select the text, so on and so forth. So let's go back and test it one more time, and we click and it rotates. So that's about it. hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.